Yeah. This is your boy Rashid Ramos Jr. and this is the next edition of Concert Reaction. And we are going to talk about a track that was released by 1R Records titled Time Bomb. Stunna What? This. So let's quickly move to this track. There's no need to waste time. Farmer me.
Pull up in the street, I'll be your master, then how to greet. Go down on your feet, show me something real, I'll be your meat. I'll be you one day beef.
Show me something real. Did he say I'll be your meat or so like this is the word play in this track. Go down on your feet, show me something real. I mean your meat, I'll be you one day beef. Hey! Word play records. Like what? I see the track is still young. Let's move forward.
When I let you smoke boys go teeth. Before I begin, tell me the type of songs you do. Hip hop, dancehall, or Tanzania type songs. For singing, dear, you know part rap, no. Check my
No. Like let's elaborate on this. The type of song standard you do, hip hop or reggae or dancehall or singing. But you know, as an artist, sometimes you need to be what? Versatile. So I, for one, I think if he's able to do so many genres of what music, it's a good call. Yeah, it's a good call. Even though he called himself what? A rapper, it's a good call. And in some other instance, as a rapper, you need to be what? Consistent in the rap game more than the other what? Genres of what? Music. So I think that's where Records is trying to punch out. It's a good punch though, since it's beef, everybody has to get some little things then what. It's showbiz, huh? Let's go on showbiz.
Dropping your time bomb, you know be play will be one play. I drop my crap, tell me your last song. I call you for rap battle and you run away. You be foolish to think.
I call you for rap battle and you run away. This guy is taking us back, oh. What Alaska cost, you know. This guy is trying to take us back. Home radio, that rap battle thing, Standard G didn't show up, you know. Which Daddy Crown Records as what? The rap king. And that wasn't a good call though, but since you ran away, he has gotten it to punch you back with that. Let's continue, boys.
Radio said Alaska right check, another battle. If you want now, rank camp, overlook cannot be a best shot.
Hey, this is a challenge. Another what? Battle. If you want, rank camp. Like damn, it's a misery. I don't know if Stunna is going to take this challenge and run back to Records for that battle. But I would love to have that battle, you know. I love to have it happen so that you all know who is who. Yeah, even though Sarko and Cool when they were coming up, it wasn't rap battle that made them the best. But this our generation, we've got to do more rap battles to know who is who, since it's face to face.
Karma Kore to my rubber, not my regime, can they tell your supper? See the way I got the rappers to the beast, the Jabalama one and Saga. Remember, 3P, carry a cure to Chile, the La Bella era. You turn something B, Morayana, now Taza Taylor.
You turn something B, Morayana. Like, I just, wait. Like, if I'm listening to this critically, does it mean, no, like, if you are looking at it from a different perspective, you think he's insulting Samson B and Morayana. But to my own perspective, I think he's trying to say that they have created a different genre of music, and Stunna has got the chance to also do that kind of music. Or he's trying to say that Stunna is let's say, has become inconsistent in the system like Morayana and Samson B. Even though Morayana and Samson B, they are all trying to stay relevant, but you know the young bulls have taken over. Alright, if you have any idea about this, you can drop it in the comment section box. But before that, let's continue.
What you put down on a chair like a pillar, in a matter of the video, like a pillar from Karama to Gram.
Like in Stunna's track, he made mention of like he's the rap pillar now. Even the rap singers have agreed that he's the rap pillar. That's where Record is trying to hit at. Now you haven't reached anywhere and you are trying to tell us you are the rap pillar. Yeah, well.
True love for the poor, definition of love, big up to the king. And then I'm going to yell about you said me the trap.
Like the Bloodshot Stunna released, you know. Record is trying to explain it bit by bit by bit. You know, in the Bloodshot, Stunna said his people don't love him, that's why they always follow him when he's messing up out of content and all those stuffs. And here, Record is trying to tell us Lincoln and Co are the real definition of what? Love. And it's true, if they don't love him, they won't follow him. Even if sometimes flaws comes and those following you wouldn't even know that you are flawed. So, but let's just not beat around the bush. Let's continue.
You face so you stop baking. You gotta dig the game. Don't worry, face good and Baron go do the digging. Stop snitching. Before you talk about my album, talk of your own. Everybody know 1 hour was a hit. You filled the venue.
Yeah. 1 album was a hit. You filled the venue. There's no other truth about this. You filled the venue, 1 hour records. And big ups, it was a great album launch. Big ups.
You want 16 people, about 19, 20. We still got a video.
What? So, Record trying to tell us, so album, 16 people plus you and your crew making it 20. Oh, this is like hell is a misery. But here, this is a word place, a punchline, okay? Records fixed in. So like this is metaphor. It's metaphor. If you look at it in a way that he's trying to say that the actual number of people were 20, then it's a lie. It's a lie. We were all there. We saw the crowd. But he's trying to say that he overcrowded his album more than Sontar album. That's what Record is trying to say. That's why he counted it to be 20. That is metaphor. So like with this, that's his own ideology about it. And he has gotten it there. If it's metaphor, he has gotten that punchline. It's a big punchline. Yeah, and it's a good wordplay. But if it's not that way, then it's a mess. It's a cancellation. Are you with me? So that's it. Let's continue.
Golden mic in the rap Babakari.
Like damn, is a misery. Punches. You see, that's the kind of beef I want to cook. Yeah, in this kitchen you need to cook more beef. Golden mic, on the mic, banker, or like Stunna went for a competition in Kumasi, golden mic, and then he tried to tell us when Stunna went there, he couldn't win because when he picked the bike, they sacked him. I don't know what made them. Okay, let's continue. Maybe you might know what made them to sack Stunna after he picked the mic.
In the car, Papa Kangali, Yado to Lord Dangong, Ebolo signing, Didi, Ebambong, Ebabanjang, Yata Delan Nalo, kill out the rappers, Ebaban Kanali, be my asset, to be the woman. Punches,
King of the rappers, Ebabanka Kanali, you be my asset. Like them is a misery. Like them, see, this is what? This is a punchline. Bass, punchline. Like, I'm the king. Yeah, I'm the king. And those my subordinates are what? All my assets. And he's trying to say he's the king of the rappers. Record is the king of the rappers. And Stunna is what? His assets. Like seriously. I say asset just simply means as property. Like Record big ups. Hey, chai, let's continue.
I'm going down there, I put a rap tickets, attention seekers, just our dear prepared, the real rapper cheaters, we don't see the hate. I'm performing 4 shows, no Parubola, Mr. Bolare.
I performed 4 shows, no Parubola, Mr. Bolare. Wordplay records. Bola, like Parubola. I don't know how to even talk about this. When somebody's wearing a big shirt, it's called Bola. You call that shirt Bola. So Parubola, Mr. Bolare. That is the wordplay in this rap.
This is a game between Kavas and Banjaba. You see, we hold the keys to the industry and you want attention. Those the gym big.
Like Stunna is out from the industry and he wants attention. That's why he came to this records. Oh, maybe it can be true though, and it cannot be true. But Stunna is relevant, but not as records is relevant. So that punch is a good punch.
You're supposed to bring your team and bring 2000 before I DC because no cool.
Like seriously, he's supposed to bring his team then add 2,000 before you diss him. You tell Sarkodie, like, hey, you are Sarkodie. I salute Records. I salute. Hey, this guy. Reviver Kanale, come out for there. In the Black Shot, he made mention that he's the rap reviver, and even the rap singers has what approved to it, and he's now saying, Reviver Kanale, come out for there. Good punch there. Good punch there.
Don't compare yourself to the rap singers. You work in the industry, and the rap singers are dope in their territory. After
you be working in the industry, and the rap singers are dope in their territory. Yeah, it's cool. They are dope. You know, if you go cross OJ's lane, Galley's lane, Dagara's lane, Twist, you know, they are all dope. They are all dope. Big up to those of them. All of them, yeah. Big up to them. You know, they have made a very good impact in the rap industry. They have made it consistent without beefing each other. You know, even the beef is very good. Yeah, when it comes to beef, I love eating beef. That's why I cook them in my kitchen. So it's a good call. Records, big ass.
On the take, they had the fever. Was I was not stop. Now they want blush and I just give it to them. Rocking boy, do the rest. Yeah. They say I be contentless rapper. Still I'm the ghetto champ. Even kids have list taking and jamming to my tracks on the street. And I can't even pass any follower without people shouting out my name. They say I don't have a hit song, but they bill me on every show. And I still stay relevant and even trend past their favorite artists. And make news every day. And that's a sign of a real king. We don't follow trends. We set trends for people to follow. So now what's the definition of a hit song? Tell them we're redefining it. Rap Talapasa.
Like the ending of the track, what Record is trying to say, people listen to his track on the street, people shout his name, and they are saying it's not having a hit track. But to look at this, let's elaborate on this. Every show, as Record said, last year, every show I knew of, Records was part of what? This show. And talking of a hit track for a rapper as what? Records. You know, it's not anyone or every rapper that make commercial tracks to get hit tracks. Are you getting me? Somebody released highest album and there wasn't any hit track in it. They trend what? Tracks. Are you getting it? They trend upon what? Tracks upon. But looking at Bad Girl, Wanna, Blessing, those tracks trended for a long period of what? Of time. So, like, I don't find any faulty. I don't get any fault. Let's look at Samini Until album. Which one of them can you mention for it to be a hit track? None. But they trended. It's a good masterpiece album. People will listen to it and spice what their day up with what? Set tracks. When you listen to them, you enjoy flows, basses, punchlines, wordplays. This is what we need from rap, not just a hit track. We need what? That feeling of listening to what? A rap by an artist, not just only a hit track. I mean, so big ups. And I want to react to what? Venom by Stunna GH. After you see this, but guys, I'm bored. You people don't just subscribe to my channel. After watching, just subscribe. Why should you be so wicked? Now, just subscribe here. You can bell and do money. A bell. Bang so SUBS what ni ga click a bell toro and then you can subscribe the Pahama. Anytime I release a reaction, be the first to watch. Thank you and keep watching. Family.